This is the original equation. We want to find the value of k that makes this equation true. We probably cannot guess, so we will rearrange the equation until we have something that looks like k equals some number, and then whatever number we got will be the correct number that would make this relationship true. So let's do that. We want to try to move all the k's over on this side. So how I'll do that, I'll subtract k, minus k, from this side, and also subtract k, minus k, from this side. If I subtract k from both sides, then the two sides will still be equal to each other, so it's still a true thing to write. So this would look like minus 2k minus k equals k minus 7 minus 8 minus k. So now on the left side I have two negative k's and one more negative k. So that is the same thing as 3 negative k's, minus 3k, equals, now on this side I have one positive k and one negative k, so it's like I owe you $10, you owe me $10, and so we're even. There's no more k's. So the k's canceled out. All I have remaining here is the 7 minus 8. So now my equation is minus 3k equals minus 7 minus 8. So this is good. I have all the k's on one side. Now this, of course, minus 7 minus 8 is the same thing as minus 15. If I have negative 7 and I go 8 more negative, then I will be all the way at negative 15. For example, if I was in debt for $7 and then I was in debt for 8 more dollars, now I'm in debt for $15, negative 15. Then this, I'll just write the same thing again, negative 3k. Now, remember, I want to find something like this, k equals some number. So I'm very close to that. What I'll do as the final step is both sides I will divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. So negative 3 divided by negative 3 is just 1. So negative 3k over negative 3 is k. This is just k. K equals negative 15 over negative 3. Negative 15 divided by negative 3 is 5. Right? So k equals 5. Now remember we said we're trying to find the value of k that makes this original statement true. And we think we did it. So let's check that if we put in this value for k, we put it into this original equation, that we get the left hand and the right hand side equal to each other. Let's check that out. So negative 2k equals k minus 7 minus 8 for k equals 5. So minus 2 times 5 equals 5 minus 7 minus 8. Negative 2 times 5 equals negative 10. And then we have 5 minus 7 minus 8. Remember this was minus 15. Minus 15. So 5 minus 15, positive 5 minus 15 equals negative 10. So negative 10 equals, negative 10 equals negative 10. So that's obviously true. So that means that k equals 5 was correct.